Time is of the essence in the case, as the official census forms are due to be printed in the coming months. Opponents have accused the administration of trying to engineer an undercount of the true population and diminish the electoral representation of Democratic-leaning communities in Congress, benefiting Trump's fellow Republicans. Non-citizens comprise an estimated 7% of people living in the United States. The U.S. Constitution mandates a census every 10 years. The official population count is used in the allocation of seats in the U.S. House of Representatives and the distribution of billions of dollars in federal funds. There has not been a census question about citizenship status since 1950. Ross announced in March 2018 that the administration would include a citizenship question, saying the Justice Department had requested the data to help enforce the Voting Rights Act that protects eligible voters from discrimination. Only U.S. citizens can vote in federal elections. New York was one of the states suing the administration. New York Attorney General Letitia James, a Democrat, said her office looks forward to defending the lower court victory at the High Court, citing the far-reaching and long-lasting effects of a census undercount. American Civil Liberties Union Attorney Dale Ho, representing immigrant rights groups suing the administration, said adding a citizenship question would damage democracy. The evidence presented at trial exposed this was the Trump administration's plan from the get-go, Ho said. The Justice Department did not immediately have a comment. Wholly unremarkable, in his ruling, Furman said the evidence showed that Ross and his aides worked hard to generate a request for the citizenship question from the Justice Department, and that he made the decision despite Census Bureau evidence that such a question would lead to lower response rates for the census. The judge found a veritable smorgasbord of violations of a law called the Administrative Procedure Act. Democrats call the citizenship question part of a broader Republican effort at the federal and state level, also including voter suppression measures and redrawing of electoral districts, to diminish the voting power of areas and groups that typically back Democratic candidates, including immigrants, Latinos, and African Americans. Republicans reject the accusation. The Supreme Court rejected an earlier Trump administration request to halt the New York trial that led to Furman's later ruling.